Hello and namaste friends. Today we are going to Uvalde Memorial Park and here is my wife. She's driving. Now we are taking the turn towards Field Road in Uvalde. So it's sunset time, turning towards the US 90 west. Going towards Del Rio, and the Memorial Park is very near. So from here is the Uvalde Memorial Park, as you can see in the entrance. Now you can see here is the basketball court. Boys are playing basketball in here, and you can see some boys around here doing the skateboard. Here we are in the park now. You can see the park. Here are the playgrounds for the kids. And there are some places to sit down, and you can do some picnic around here. This park is quite nice. Over here you can see the water, the small island in this small pool of water where there are few trees, and this is habitat to few animals in here. You can see the turtles. People come here to walk during the evening time. As you can see in distance, a couple is walking with your dog. So in this park there is a nice little wooden bridge here. So here somebody is walking their dog again, and here is my wife on that bridge. She loves to go over that bridge and take photos pretty much all the time when we come over here. She is fish biologist. Say hello. And past the wooden bridge, we are going towards that, under that big bridge, under that road. Some people are again coming towards this direction with the dogs. So a lot of people come here, walk their dogs. Let me take you under that bridge now. From here you can see that basketball court and the reflection in the water. It's a beautiful view from here, and even more beautiful sounds from the birds and the cicadas. Mostly the cicadas are making noise. That's the surreal, so pleasing. Check this bridge. Do you notice that it has a lot of many small pillars instead of one or two big pillars? That looks quite interesting. So many pillars in this bridge. Look at that. Look at the architecture of this bridge from under the bridge. And that water body of this park is moving from here. So that water is connected with this small channel, and it goes towards the other side that I'm going. Okay, I came to the other side of the bridge now, and this side of the park is even more beautiful. At least it's so different, and I like this side even more. What? Oh no, that's so sad to see. it's a squirrel baby. So sad. The ants are already over it. Now it's going to be the food for the ants.
So tiny and small.
Maybe it fell from the tree or the ants. I don't know how. There comes another road. There is a small bridge over there. Nice view of that Rotary Amphitheater. It's written over there. Rotary Amphitheater. See that? It's beautiful. There's even the lights on the stairs. That's nice. And the building behind is the Civic Center of Uvalde. There is a big hall and people can take shelter during needed times. Like during COVID, it was a vaccination center, and during snow time in Uvalde, when there was no power, people used to come here for shelter because it had the power and the rooms were heated. A lot of people got shelter in here. So this is a beautiful park in Uvalde where I come very often. So see this side, the trail goes all the way down, and the sunset is so beautiful here. The sun is already down. Check that, the birds are flying. I saw some starlings and some grackles. They're flying from this tree or from this side. Oh, there are some other doves too. They are flying towards the west. I don't know where they are flying towards, but they're flying towards. Oh, check that. From here you can see the city of Uvalde water tank. Birds are flying. The sunset time, maybe going towards their nest. It's a time to rest. Can more birds. the side. Feels so good to see them up close. Again, a handsome buck with nice horns. See that baby? It has the white patches on its body. I need to check why they have white patches but not the adults have. Why they are like the axis deer. Maybe they have evolved from axis deer or what, could be, and they become white tails later on as they grow up. Check the baby, what it's doing. It's trying to, wow, it's trying to feed, trying to get the milk. Mom is moving away. Let's try to film that. Try to film if it succeeds to drink milk or suck milk. What's that sound? Dogs are barking. There is another one running. It's a young buck. There is one bigger one. All of them are running now. I think they're scared of me. The trail almost ends on that other street beyond this. This is one straight with the bridge, and there is another one, and that's almost the end of the trail. Okay, today I'll just turn around from here with the beautiful deers, mother and baby deers. They are trying to go away. Okay, after the rain in Uvalde, we had quite nice rain like a couple of weeks ago, and now there are a lot of water like filled up in the ditches in here, and a lot of mosquitoes are coming right now. A lot of mosquitoes are just flying around, just annoying us. My wife is getting annoyed by the mosquitoes. She's not happy about the mosquitoes. But this place is so nice. We shot so many deers. I didn't know how many we shot, maybe almost at least 10 or more than that. Feels good to walk around, to see nature in this small city of Uvalde. It's full of nature. It's the already sunset, and this looks so beautiful from this side, isn't it? The trail on both sides. This is a small bridge or the culvert. Let's see the sky behind. So nice, red underneath those clouds. Red, purple, whatever colors are that. And that is the trail I just came back. It's nice grassy trail with the deers, a lot of deers. And this park looks so beautiful from here. There is a rotary amphitheater which is built recently. It wasn't here like 5 years ago when I came to this town. It's just built after that. This town is growing. This is one evidence that this town is growing. They're building new things in here. It's the architecture of this amphitheater is nice. Okay. Not a lot of things go in here, but sometimes people come to celebrate some of the things. My wife was telling me earlier, oh, people used to come here, right?
Yeah.
What do you remember?
I remember we came here and there was some festival going on over here.
And some weddings or some kind of maybe quinceanera area. I don't know what's that. Like in 15 years, girls are celebrated. That Mexican tradition, I think that was also being done in here. And this nice tree is all over on the both sides of this water pool. It has a lot of fruits that I don't know it's a fruit or what, but it's some kind of fruit that's not edible to us, but maybe birds or other squirrels they might eat or may not. So you can see a lot of green colored fruits.
These are citrus trees.
Oh, cypress, yes. So you know, my wife is scientist. She is water biologist or aquatic ecologist. She knows a lot of aquatic vegetation. Okay, let me know what you know about this vegetation in here.
Alright.
This is crepe myrtle. I know less about the water vegetation, but terrestrial vegetation I also know a little bit. When I used to be agriculture undergraduate in Nepal, I was fond of plants, trees, flowers, all the different diversity. And this is crepe myrtle, Lagerstromia indica. In Indica, maybe it's named from the India, and it's like found a lot in our country, Nepal. And it's found a lot in US. When I came to US first, when I saw a lot of these crepe myrtles on the road in the middle, like in the boulevard, there are a lot of crepe myrtles blooming during August. When I came to United States first time in 2014 August in Houston, I was able to see a lot of flowers in the middle of the street, and that was this crepe myrtle. I was so happy to see it because I never thought they would be found here, and it's all over Texas, everywhere. Okay, now we cross this bridge, came to this original side of the park, and again here we come to this wooden bridge, nice small arch. It's getting too old. It was beautiful and nice and built quite new when I was here like more than 5 years ago, and now it's getting quite older. This is a bigger cypress tree. And there are some oak trees, and a lot of oak trees are here in this park. When it was bright earlier, I had to show you. Maybe later on when it's during daytime I can show you. A lot of oak trees, big oak trees, maybe hundreds of years old. So in Uvalde it's a tree city. Most of the trees can't be cut down, and there are trees in between the roads. Also some of the roads have trees in between. I can show you in some other visits of the town when I drive around. It's a nice tree city. A lot of old oak trees can be found here, and nice cypress trees around this water, sycamore trees. And there is pecan, a lot of pecan. Texas has a lot of pecan trees, and this is a pecan tree. It's already dark, you can see. Okay, you can see from this side the pecan has like very coarse bark. I mean, it's a rough skin. The oak also has a rough skin, but the bark is like kinda looks smooth from far away. It's just like oak trunk looks more like mango tree trunk. You can see this oak tree. It's just like a mango tree when I compare it to the mangoes from Nepal. I have memories associated with mango trees in my childhood. I used to climb a lot of mango trees. And I'm gonna show you the docks in here. It's super low light, so it's very hard to focus. My camera is not focusing very well. Okay, it doesn't tell me what the ISO it's using. I'm doing the auto ISO mode and it's super low. I think it's taking more than like 120,000 or so, more than that, the highest limit. There are a lot of docks, and these are the docks in this park, and the park ends in here. A lot of nutria rats are in the water now. It's super dark. I should come quite earlier next time to show you more animals of like these water rats, turtles, and all these docks. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching us. Subscribe to our channel if you like the videos. Give thumbs up, give comments, and we'll be having more videos. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.